My dad and I decided to renovate the entire cabin this weekend. The problem? Neither of us actually knew what we were doing.
Until we found this secret weapon!
16,000 blueprints? I just want to build a spy piss rack, but now I'm pretty sure I can build 2 short Tuesdays day.
Step 1, stop reading the instructions upside down. Step 2, follow these idiot-proof schematics. Boom, my dog is officially living better than I am.
Look at him go!
Dad's acting like a master carpenter, but he's just
Copying page 4 of the plan. Shh, don't ruin his confidence.
We made a cutting board, a brand new picnic table, and this bench, without fighting once. Honestly, it's a miracle.
If we can build this stuff, literally anyone can. Tap the link below to grab your 16,000 plans right now and start building!